country will be running out of the COVID-19 vaccine in a week's time. This is according to representatives from the private health sector who are now lobbying for the relicensing of the Sputnik vaccine distributors who have about 70,000 viable remaining doses at the central storage facility. Our health reporter Zainab Mohammed has more.
As COVID-19 vaccines availability continues to be a global challenge locally and internationally, representatives from the private sector have come out to sound the alarm, saying the country's supply of about 300,000 remaining doses will be running out in about 7 days or so.
It is so clear in our country that people are jumping queues. They're jumping queues because supplies are short. You have all witnessed how many of these irregularities are being seen at different queues, both public and private facilities. The vaccines most likely will be out of stock by next week.
According to the chairman, Africa Health Federation, Dr. Amit Taker, it is a prime time for the government to reconsider the participation of the private sector in the importation, distribution and administration of COVID-19 vaccines. The sector now lobbying for the Ministry of Health to allow the distribution of about 70,000 viable remaining doses of the Sputnik V vaccine.
Our appeal today to the CS Health is allow us to retain these good quality vaccines which are not expired, and then we have a framework to appropriately try and cover as many people as possible.
After the vaccination of the first Kenyan on the 5th of March this year, it is clear that the second batch of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine will not be here in time for the 8 weeks window as pre-planned by the Ministry of Health. And now the responsibility lies with the government to ensure Kenyans receive their second dose, with the relicensing of the private sector being seen as a factor that will play a huge role in propelling the country to reach the 40% herd immunity target. Meanwhile, the country has today recorded a total of 629 new COVID-19 cases, 1,560 recoveries and 18 new deaths. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.